the release of iPhone SE 2? After the rumors about the iPhone SE 2 began to appear more and more, before many fans of Apple technology, another important question arose. Should I wait for the release of the iPhone SE 2 and not yet buy other iPhone models? However, more often, such a modification of the question comes to us: is it worth buying iPhone SE or is it better to wait for iPhone SE 2? We answer in order. If you want to buy a new iPhone, but at the same time you are madly in love with the idea of the iPhone SE 2 in a compact case and with the iPhone 6/SIXS/7 design, wait a little with buying another model until March 2019. After the March presentation, we will know for sure whether Apple will release an updated 4-inch iPhone SE. If the iPhone SE 2 comes out, buy it. If the rumors remain only rumors, choose any other model. Specifications: the original iPhone SE turned out to be almost a complete copy of the iPhone SIXS in terms of specifications. The differences consisted only in the absence of an improved front-facing camera and push-tracking 3D touch display technology in the iPhone SE. It is assumed that the iPhone SE 2 will take as a basis the stuffing of the next Apple smartphone, the iPhone 7. As a result, the iPhone SE 2 will receive a system on the 64-bit quad-core A10 Fusion processor and 2 GB of RAM. Due to such a powerful iron, iPhone SE 2 will become the most productive compact smartphone in the world, taking this title from its predecessor. The same information was confirmed in April by sources from the Japanese blog Makotakara. They also noted that the iPhone SE 2 will not have a 3.5mm audio output. Apple for the first time abandoned the previously traditional audio jack in the iPhone 7, so this change seems quite logical. However, other insiders left this message without comment. 3D Touch: one of the main features of the iPhone SE 2 should be the presence of a smartphone support technology tracking force pressing on the display 3D Touch. The iPhone SE, despite its technical similarity with the iPhone SIXS, did not have 3D Touch. It is assumed that Apple decided to abandon the use of technology in order to reduce the price of the smartphone, and also to highlight its new and more expensive flagship iPhone SIXS against the background of the iPhone SE. iPhone SE 2, release date, review, price, features, and photos. Battery: according to Focus Taiwan's August leak, the iPhone SE 2's battery capacity will be 1700 mAh. For comparison, the original iPhone SE is equipped with a 1624 mAh battery. In other words, a large increase in battery life of the second-generation iPhone SE is not worth waiting for.